Scorpio, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is everything turns to light. Even your hard times, the darkest times, they turn to light. Every effort, every instance, every experience is for your greater good. If you see it or not, in time you will see why you had to go through a certain situation. You know what we say on this page? It's time to put your blueprint, pink print, fingerprints, footprints, every type of print into action. Make deadlines on your timeline and meet them. Everything that you think of, if a brainwave, an intuition, an imagination, anything that comes to your mind, we want you to put into work. We want you to make sure it comes into what's part of your regular practice to develop that. Everything turns to light. Therefore, use this energy for your greater good to create, to make a better life for yourself. And also, nothing's done to you, it's done for you. The stronger you become, the bigger the blessing that can come your way, because you'll be able to maintain and hold it up. Negative energy comes with negative weight. Positive energy comes with its own weight. As long as you're putting in the work and you become a victor or not a victim, the bigger the blessing Lord God, Spirit, Universe, Source, Strength, Jesus Christ can trust you with and give to you. I work to improve myself and embrace all that life brings to me and transform darkness into light. I allow myself to grow and become stronger. Remember, everything is being done for you, not against you. Everything is going to turn into something positive to make you a stronger being. Therefore, you can maintain bigger blessings. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.